Bua, please, Bua, please. Like this, they always come, uh, use TV, used to shout, speak
Yeah,
loudly, and no one can make videos in front of them. And after that, sound of outside
yeah,
environment, like neighbors are speaking, children are playing, vehicles are going, and we have kachre wala also. Gaadi wala aaya ghar se kachra nikal types. They- on loudspeaker they used to play this music. Trust me, sometimes I'm speaking clearly everything, and then the sounds come, and then I was like, okay, great, now I have to speak again. Now I have to wait for some times. Fruit seller, vegetable sellers, too much matta body, you can say, in, in my
that's why
language.
you have to edit a lot.
That's why I have to edit a
Yeah.
lot.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. So, what's your name?
My name is Kopal.
Kopal,
Kopal, yes.
different name. And
Yeah,
what about the blunder queen?
that's what I do blunders a lot. That's why I just kept that name.
Okay, so tell me something about yourself. Who are you? What you do?
So my name is Kopal and I am freelancer right now. Like I'm working as a freelancer and
Okay.
I teach also. And like you have seen in on my Instagram, I love to draw like creative things. I love to do that.
So, what do you teach
I teach
in
math, science.
schools?
No
That's
tuition.
great.
Home. No tuitions. I do take tuitions at home.
Okay. And what you have done in your studies?
I've done BTech, computer science.
That's great. My brother
Yeah,
is also from engineer field. Is it good or not good to be
it
from engineering field?
it is good. Like I am more of a creative person, so it's not that great for me. That's why I'm just trying other fields as well. But if you are a logical person, then it's the best thing to do for you.
That's great.
How you
Yes,
started your channel? Like you can tell me the story, like about yourself.
as I told you earlier, I don't know you know or not that it was my second channel, Ashvi Thinks, and I already have started a channel in 2016 with the name of Trending on Earth, and I teach their biology. And after that, 1 year or max more than 1 year, some months you can add in that year, I just left this channel because of lack of interest. I started Ashvi thing not to teach English. Trust me. I just thought that let's just put the name Ashvi thing so that no one can guess what I'm going to do in this channel. So that I'll be free to do anything. Like
Yeah, if you just put a
earlier I
name
make
to
some.
something, then you have to do that thing only.
Yeah, so I don't want that any specific channel like only English, only science, or only roasting types. But unfortunately, right now I am doing just English because
It
in
just
starting
becomes
I teach English, and now my whole subscribers are from English field. Like they want English learner. Everyone is English learner on my channel. So I thought let's just do not disturb that, and then again I open in another channel.
yeah, I've
I
seen
don't
your
know why
English.
I am doing so
You
work
roast there,
hard.
right?
Yeah.
You roast on your another channel, right? I've
Yes.
seen that.
Yeah. I started
That's a
roasting on
fun
this channel
thing.
also, but I think I gain only English learner and they are not so comfortable with the roasting, so I just leave that thing. Now I am continue doing the English things only on this channel, and now I will only teach English because I was never think about this thing that I will continue only English, but now only English just because from all my subscribers. That is
But
the thing. If you want to open English, if you want to open YouTube channel, make sure what your subscribers want. You have to do
yeah,
what you want. You have to do what your subscribers want to see.
But the thing is, you have to just start.
Yeah, let's just start and go with the flow. What happened, whatever you may like. You know what? I have seen so many channels also. They are starting with something else and now they are doing something else. And this actually happens. You have to try on YouTube everything. Like you have to try teaching, you have to try technology, you have to try whatever you know. You have to put your whole knowledge in front of people and now let them select what they want to learn from you, what they want from you. Because you can see in your subscribers changing number. Huh? That
Yeah.
what they want. I have seen that more and more subscriber I get from English videos, so that's decided that I have to do English
Yeah.
because I think
Starting
I
is
have tried
difficult.
creative things also. I have tried vlogs also. Like it's not that I leave them, but yeah, I think let's just continue English
But the
only
audience
because
is liking. Yeah.
yeah, if
Your
they are
Cambly
interested in
videos are
English,
nice.
yeah,
Your Cambly videos are really nice.
thanks. I'm getting very negative comments on them.
I've
You seriously
seen
think I
that.
was so rude in that videos?
I don't think so. People assume me as rude as well, so I can relate to it.
Yeah, people always think what they saw. And because of that, I remember one thing: never judge a book by its cover. Huh? It's an ad na on Indian television. Nirmal and I don't know.
Obviously, they don't know you, so judging is like of no use.
But it's like okay for me because I have listened this earlier also. Like my facial expression are quite rude, I think. And I'm working on it with a smile. Let's just have a smile before speaking now.
What else you can speak about?
Yeah, you can tell me about your hobbies. What do you want? What is your hobbies?
My hobby is like the art only that I do on Instagram. That's what. And I like sports as well, playing
Which
sports,
sports?
badminton, football. But right now I'm not playing that much because of COVID. We can talk about YouTube, right? Because I really want to like start the channel. So if you can tell me something, some advices.
Well, again, problem. If you are really interested in opening a YouTube channel, have patience, have guts that everyone can say anything to you. Two things are very important. Like people are thinking we'll start a YouTube channel after 2 3 months. We'll start earning. We'll do this. We'll do that, and we'll get payment in lakhs. But this is not going to happen. Trust me. Like you have to work too hard on YouTube if you want to do something on YouTube because other jobs are 9 to 5, 8 to 2, something like these things. These are the basic timing for girls' job, I guess.
Yeah.
But YouTube is like 24 hours job. Trust me, you have to do editing whole day. You have to think whole day about the concept, about everything. Trust me, very hectic. But it depends. If you are enjoying this, then it's a perfect job.
YouTube, how many hours you put?
That's what I'm saying you that you can't count hours on YouTube. Like when I was roasting, that time to make a video, it will be just 1 2 hours max and max, half hour, 45 minutes. But after that, added that video will take 2 3 days continuously. Like you have
And then you
to
have
in
to
the
think
morning.
of
I
the
just
ideas
woke up in the
also.
morning and start editing. Let's just cut this part. Like 45 minutes video continuously. You have to cut and make it just 5 6 7 minutes part. And after that, you have to edit that part, add some clips. It takes 2 3 days for me at least. I don't know. Someone is doing great job than me and making videos very fast, but editing is the very hectic work. And even not without editing also, like if I'm teaching, if I'm speaking about any topic in English also, I can't be like this that let's just speak fluently. It's not happen. Even I make mistakes because if I'll speak Hindi also, there are some slip of tongue happens now,
Yeah.
and that same thing happens in English also. But in Hindi people will understand that okay, it happens. But in English, people will say you don't know English. She don't know English, and she's making mistakes, and she's teaching English as well. As I'm not an English teacher, that's also a true thing.
Yeah,
But
they will
still,
judge.
in English, you have to take care of this thing that don't make any type of mistakes, because then someone is going to tell you that you didn't use did here, you have to use will here. That is the thing that people will say. And
Speak Hindi and English together.
yeah, when someone wants to learn English, they have to start speaking both language, like use the terms in English and then just say Hindi language. That's okay with this, because this will,
I can tell you like one trick that helped me to like improve my English is I started thinking in English. So
yeah,
when
that is
you
the best thing.
think in English, that's what helped me, and nothing else will have would help me. But this is the thing that helped me the most. I started thinking in English, and then when I speak, it just comes out in English only. So when you
And
think
when
in English, yeah, because we think in Hindi and speak in English, so that just makes confusion.
even I never speak fancy English. If you have seen me, I never speak any hard word. I just used to speak very simple, normal, decent word, which are, we used to listen. I never use any
Yeah,
terms in that people don't understand, because
vocabulary.
yeah, not hard vocabulary. I never even find out the words from the Google to speak. Let's just learn something new. Let's just find some new hard word and then I'll speak, and then people will go and search it on the Google that what is the meaning of that fancy word. I never do this. I just speak normal English, basic English, because I don't need to speak, I think, fancy English. Why I speak that? No reason, na? Because
It just comes
people should
naturally
understand
also.
whatever I want. Yeah, that is the thing. I am
Natural, coming
basic.
natural. The word that comes natural are the best. Like you don't have to show off to be
Yeah,
like,
I really don't want to show off. Ki,
uh,
theek hai, fine. Let's just speak fancy words more. Then people will think, oh my God, she knows too many words. I never use, even I know the words, still I don't use any fancy word. I just speak normally basic English. So that if someone is listening, if someone is trying to speak English, they will get this thing that okay, we don't need to improve our vocabulary too much. Let's just speak
yeah,
normally.
they can relate to you, right?
Yes, normal people can relate to me, I think.
We do relate to you.
Thank you.
Which channel do you enjoy? Like your which channel do you enjoy more making content for? The roast one or the English one?
Actually, I am very interested in roasting, trust me, because I never think about making this thing, and roasting quite suits on me now because my facial
Yeah, it's
expressions
fun.
are already so rude. So doing roasting is like it suits on me. Okay, you are good in doing roasting, no? But still, I think leave it, do it something else. And that's why I started a new channel. That okay, let's just put our interest on another side, and in front of camera do what my subscribers want, because they are important, trust me. If I have gained that much subscriber, I have to take care of them. But enjoy it, enjoy everything. I i really enjoy YouTube also. Like, my parents are also watching my videos, and sometimes they said, what are you doing, why are you doing this, what is the sense of doing YouTube? And then I said, listen, before 3 years I was doing the same thing, and again if I repeated something, that means I am very interested in things, so that is the only reason why I'm doing this.
You are on YouTube since 3 years.
Not since 3 years continuously, but I was on YouTube before 3 years. I told you, na, in 2016, I opened a channel with the name of trending my biology. Now it's trending on art, and I'll teach there science, MSc syllabus, because in BSc we used to learn in Hindi and English, both language, in Rajasthan. You're from? I never heard that thing. Where are
I'm
you
from
from?
Faridabad. It's like
Oh
near
my.
Delhi.
See, you didn't tell about yourself fully. I don't even know where are you from.
I just don't know. You
Delhi
wanted
is
to
a
know it.
hectic place, huh? Is there any meaning of Kopal?
Yeah, it's like a bird,
Kopal is a
plant,
bird name.
not bird, bud, bud.
Acha,
The
okay,
plant that
bird.
grows. Yeah,
Okay,
at the
that's
initial
nice.
stage. Yeah.
You are a bird and now you are going to be a flower. Huh? Different joke. Awkward joke, but never mind.
What is the meaning of your name? Ashvi.
Well, Ashvi is a name on goddess Parvati. Okay, so thank you so much. It was really nice to talk with you. Hope we'll talk again.
We will talk again. Yeah, YouTube friends.
Yeah, we are YouTube friends.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Have a great, as right now it's a night. So good night.
Good night.